Krishna and Dandavat Pranam everyone. So today's topic is about Maya Devi versus Krishna, and it's all I'm going to talk about illusion. Maya's meaning is only Maya, which is not. It's an illusion, which is जो पर्दा हमारे सामने लगाया जाता है, जो ऐसे लगता है कि एक छोटे से फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड के लिए ओ माय गॉड आई एम हैप्पी, बट नो, you're actually not happy. So Maya Devi is what? It's an illusion that this person or this thing will give me happiness. This kurta or this XYZ vacation or this XYZ thing which I will buy will give me happiness. It's for a fraction of seconds, but that doesn't give you contentment or peace or satisfaction. What gives you satisfaction? You have to understand your soul's nature first. It's Sachitanand. It's like it loves to give love, and it loves to be loved, and its origin is all happy and all pure Krishna. So it's very natural that you'll only get satisfaction and only get happiness in Krishna and loving Krishna, and in going to the original source where our soul is coming from and where our soul was. It was around Krishna. It was in Golok. It was that's our destination. That's our home. Only when we reach there and get our constitutional position back, and when we start serving Krishna and we are with Krishna, only that is the time when we'll actually be happy. All what is happening here on this material planet is an illusion. It's an illusion. You just I'll tell you a small this thing, that you divide the screen into right and left. Right mein there is Krishna, and left mein there is Maya Devi. And the more you'll keep on choosing, Krishna's side is all bright and full of brightness, and Maya Devi's side is full with darkness. The more you will keep on pouring and choosing Maya Devi's side, the more darkness is going to be filled in your life. And the more you'll keep on choosing Krishna's side, the brighter side, the more brightness and happiness is going to be filled in your life. So every day is a choice. Krishna or Maya Devi, you can't get both at one time. It's either or. Either get Krishna or either get Maya Devi. You can't get both. Where Krishna is there, Maya Devi can't stay. Where Maya Devi is there, Krishna can't stay. So I'll give you an example. Mata Lakshmi was pressing Vishnuji's feet, and Mata Lakshmi is like, Sudama ji is going through a lot financially. He was going through a lot. So Mata Lakshmi bolti hai ki I am your wife, I am your Ardhangini, I am goddess of fortune. मैं उनके लिए सब कुछ दे सकती हूँ. He's your devotee, he's your friend. आप बस आदेश कीजिए स्वामी. And Vishnuji is like, no, because in his heart वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी चाह रखता है, और उनके हार्ट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैं ही बसता हूँ. सो अगर मैं उन्हें देने के लिए भी इच्छा रखूँगा तो उनके मन में वो चाह ही नहीं है, वो डिज़ायर ही नहीं है. तो माता लक्ष्मी बोलती है कि आप वो डिज़ायर पैदा कर सकते हैं, आप तो नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल फॉर यू. विष्णु जी कहता है कि नहीं, I can't even, he says that, Krishna says that I can't even give that desire, because where there is me, where I am there in someone's heart, Maya Devi can't stand there. Maya Devi can't enter. So वो चाहकर भी मैं वो desire पैदा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, because only I stay in his heart and in his head and everywhere inside of him. Only I stay, and only he's constantly chanting, he's constantly serving me, and only I reside in his heart. And where I stay, where Krishna stays, Maya Devi can't even enter. So that is what, every day is a choice. There are so many opportunities which are going to be presented in your life, this or that. Don't choose anything which is going to take you towards Maya Devi or darkness, and for a fraction of second you will feel that ये choice ना मुझे ज़्यादा wealth देगी या ज़्यादा opportunity देगी, but it will take me away from Krishna. कभी भी ऐसी choice मत करना. इनफैक्ट अगर कोई चॉइस है जिससे आपको घाटा हो रहा है, बट इट्स द राइट पाथ, राइट वे, द authentic, real way, honest way, where you're going to go towards Krishna but away from Maya Devi, always to choose that path where you're going to go towards Krishna. Doesn't matter. Krishna sees you've left all that and you chose my path because you want to get closer to me, not Maya Devi. You know, he sees that. And don't do it because you want to show Krishna that, okay, see, I chose you. No. Do it because you genuinely love Krishna and you have that natural bond and connection with Krishna, because he's everything for you. He's given birth to you. He loves you a lot and you love him. That's the only reason why you are choosing Krishna, you know, because you love him immensely. He's there. He's there wherever your soul goes, whichever body it goes. Paramatma is the only one which comes with you. Wherever you go, wherever, to the deepest, darkest places, situations. So many hells are there in our Puranas. So many. Everywhere your Atma goes, Paramatma follows. Everywhere. He sees your pain, your happiness, your everything. And he's always with you. And for that, you're going to choose Krishna every single day over Maya Devi. Every single day. And that is what I wanted you all to hear in this video. That no matter kuch bhi ho jaye aapke life mein, that no wealth, no fame, no recognition, no money or no power, position, status is equivalent. You know, even if you do that in an infinite amount, it's not equivalent to Harinam or Krishna. No. Just that's an illusion which will just bring you towards darkness. Thoda time lagega ki you're getting everything, but you're decorating a dead body. It's what Prabhupada says. Decorating a dead body, and it's very scary. टाइम जब समझ में आ जाता है कि यार लाइफ में कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ इसके पीछे भागे, माया देवी के पीछे, तो डर लगता है कि अरे अब क्या. फिर लोग बोलते हैं किसने देखा है लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ. अरे है, लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ है, एंड इट्स रियल. यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट. People say you get life only once, just live it. No. There are certain regulations according to Shastra, certain lines, certain rules, regulations which you all have to follow four negative principles, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, do lots of services towards Krishna's devotees, his children. For this, do many things. Krishna has given you opportunity, abundance, opulence, that do something for the environment or the society, for everyone around. For the community, for everyone. If you get that opportunity, do it, rather than spending something on a thing which we all do or we have all done in our lives, that we take something expensive, but kabhi humne socha hai that instead of taking that or buying that expensive thing, can we use that money for someone who really needs it, and who their life will be made if we do something for those people, and don't do it to get good karma. No. In fact, अगर good karma हम लोग create करते हैं तो उसके लिए nullify करने के लिए भी वापस जन्म लेना पड़ता है. इसलिए कहा जाता है कि गंगा मैया में all जो unintentionally sins किए हैं, वो अगर dip करने के लिए बाद वो सब they get nullified, धो जाते हैं. But if you take a dip in Yamuna Maiya, both sins and your जो आपने good karma किया है, bad karma किया है, वो both nullify होते हैं. And when you nullify both good and bad karma, then only you can go back to Krishna. It's not easy. If you even have good karma, उसका अगर भोगना बाकी है, फिर भी आपको वापस birth लेना पड़ेगा. So these things, you can only leave it to Krishna's hand, and only when he knows when we are ready to go back to him, and he will remove all the sanchit karma, and that's up to him. all we have to think right now is to do whatever we do in our life for Krishna, for his pleasure, and leave rest to him. You know, whenever he thinks, we are surrendered to you, Nath, and wherever you keep me, wherever you want me to go, I just keep Harinam with me. I'm your servant, and however you want to keep me, I trust you. Wherever you want to keep me, I'm okay with it. And I just know that I am yours, and you love me, and I love you, and that's it. You know, agar you always, you know, love language is what sacrifice, and you need to do that for Krishna. And when you do that, Krishna doesn't expect that, but he just knows that this child of mine has chosen me every day, and he knows that how serious you are. We need to prove it. अगर आप हमने कृष्णा की बात नहीं सुनी है, हम लोग उनसे एक फादर जब कहता है कि दिस इज़ नॉट राइट फॉर यू, वो अगर हमने उन्होंने कहा कि दिस प्लानट इज़ नॉट राइट फॉर यू, एंड स्टिल हम लोग ने उनकी बात नहीं सुनी और फिर भी हम लोग जिद पे आके वी हैव चोजन फ्री विल, देन वी रियली नीड टू प्रूव आवर सेल्व्स टू कृष्णा दैट वी आर सीरियस. हम लोग ने रियलाइज़ किया है कि दिस प्लानट इज़ नॉट मेंट फॉर अस, एंड वी नीड टू कम टुवर्ड्स यू कृष्णा. एंड I know I'm sorry that we didn't realize it at that time, but we realize it now that you were right. You were always right, and you wanted the best for me and for all of us. But just give us the way to come back to you now, and we realize our mistakes. So just keep on chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, do good for everyone, think good for everyone. Always make choices which are going to take you towards Krishna and not away. This was a small video. I hope all of your lives are filled with Krishna's side, which is full bright, and your lives are filled with brightness and happiness, which will take you towards Krishna. So keep on chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna.